Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. So I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to select the video from my gallery album. For example guys, I'm going to choose the video from this folder or this album, and I'm going to choose this video. For example, I'm going to remove watermark from this video. Oops. Okay, I'm going to add this video to the CapCut project, and I'm going to remove this watermark. If we want to remove watermark, we need to duplicate our video. You can tap on your video like this and scroll all the way to the right until you find a duplicate menu like this, and then click on overlay to make it as an overlay. Okay, this one, and I'm going to make this second video align with my first video. Right guys, I'm going to remove the CapCut ending. Okay, and to remove the watermark from our video, we need to we need to apply mask to the second video. Okay, you can tap on the second video, and then you can scroll all the way to the right again until you find mask option. Okay, and choose the shape of the mask. And for instance, I'm going to select circle, and then we can adjust the size of the mask like this according to the watermark you want to remove from your video. And you can take another part of your video to cover the watermark. Okay, I'm going to use this part, and we can click on the check mark and then drag the mask to cover your watermark. Okay, now it's done, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it more natural, I'd recommend you to apply filter or go to the adjustment. I'm going to select the adjustment right here, and I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit. Okay, oops. Alright, perfect. And as you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.